Welcome to Car Culture Club, your ultimate destination for the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the automotive world. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 all-new Hyundai Custin, a stylish and practical MPV that blends premium comfort with cutting-edge technology, making it a strong contender in the family vehicle segment. The 2025 Hyundai Custin is designed for modern families who value space, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, it typically features a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and efficient performance. Hyundai has tuned the engine to provide a balanced driving experience, offering enough power for city cruising and highway travel while keeping fuel economy in check. There's also a hybrid variant in select markets, giving eco-conscious buyers another compelling option. One of the biggest highlights of the Custin is its spacious and highly versatile interior. It offers 3 rows of seating, comfortably accommodating up to 7 passengers. The second-row captain's chairs provide premium comfort with features like reclining function and individual armrests. The third row is surprisingly roomy and easy to access, thanks to wide-opening rear doors and smart seat folding mechanisms. The cabin design is modern and well thought out, using quality materials and soft-touch surfaces throughout. Ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof add a premium feel to the driving experience. Technology is another strong point in the new Custin. It comes equipped with a large infotainment display that supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. A digital instrument cluster, wireless charging pad, and multiple USB ports keep both the driver and passengers connected and charged at all times. The Custin also features an advanced voice command system, allowing drivers to control navigation, climate, and media without taking their hands off the wheel. Safety has been a priority for Hyundai, and the Custin reflects that commitment. It includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems under the Hyundai SmartSense banner. This includes features like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. Together, these features make long trips more relaxing and city driving much safer. In terms of design, the 2025 Custin sports a bold and futuristic look. Its front fascia features a wide grille with parametric elements and sleek LED headlights that give it a distinctive appearance. The side profile is clean yet dynamic, with sharp character lines and stylish alloy wheels. The rear is equally striking with a connected LED tail lamp setup and a sculpted tailgate that emphasizes width and presence on the road. Overall, the 2025 Hyundai Custin is a well-rounded MPV that delivers on style, space, technology, and safety. It's